Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal money on hold using your iPhone. PayPal may place a hold on funds for several reasons, including new seller, high-risk item or category, unusual activity, disputes or claim, or low seller performances. In order to fix the PayPal money on hold, the first thing you'll need to do is to open up your PayPal application and sign into your account. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well and then navigate to the Held Funds page. Once you get to this page, tap on the specific transaction that's on hold and review the details provided by PayPal to understand why this is happening. If PayPal needs more information, follow the instructions to provide the necessary details. After you do that, also make sure that your PayPal application is running on the latest version. Open up your App Store and search for PayPal in the search box. Once you find the PayPal application and if you see an update on the page instead of open, then simply tap on the update button to download the latest version of PayPal application. Once you update the app, it might fix some of your problem. Simply tap on the open button and get back to your PayPal application and refresh the page, and that might be able to help you fix your money on hold issue. PayPal typically releases the hold after 21 days if no issues are reported again from your PayPal account. Ensure you maintain good seller performance to avoid future holds, and that is the only way you will be able to fix money on hold on PayPal application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.